I talked about in that video, things that go straight up. I heard this forever. Things that go straight up seem to come straight back down. All right, now we're going to take a look here in a second, see if this bottom came in, and now if we're going to bounce up from here or where we could go. All right, I'm going to show you that here in a second. If you appreciate these updates, guys, and you like me covering HBAR, please hit the like button and subscribe. I usually only cover it once a week or so. If I get more interest in it, I'll definitely start covering it more. Now you can see through here for the day. This is going to upload in just 1 second. Bitcoin, it looks like Bitcoin could possibly have found the bottom here. All right, I'm going to show you guys that here real quick. But if we look up Hedera, there we go. Look at this volume, roughly 3.3 billion. All right, $4.5 billion market cap, ranked number 24. 3.3 billion in volume. All right, number 24. Keep that number in mind, 3.3 billion. Let's go over here. Where's some of the other big ones here? The ones in the top 10. Where's Doge at? Or there's Cardano. 475 million, ranked number 10. All right, just to give you an idea. How about Caspa? 45 million, ranked number 41. Filecoin, 223 million. I don't know, Solana, 3.8 billion. They're ranked number 5. Solana's, so right in the top 10, probably in the top 5 or so with volume the last 24 hours. Really has been slamming it. Just trying to see here, where's Binance at? What kind of volume did they have? Or BNB, sorry about that. Whoops, there we go. They're ranked number 4. 1.46 billion, and that's ranked number 4. They have an $89 billion market cap. So they had twice the volume that BNB had, just to give you an idea. All right, so pretty crazy yesterday. And if you're interested in learning how to chart, guys, almost 5,000 subs, 4,820, I believe. Over 200 members in our group. All right, to learn how to do these charts. I have 22 videos, over 9 hours of videos, and a link to our Discord where we trade a lot over there. So if that's something that interests you, please come join us. We would love to have you. A lot of great guys over there. One guy the other day made a $93,000 trade in our group. How about that? That's pretty awesome. He's getting really good. He watched that Solana video I put out, and he took a long on that wave. It looked like a wave 4 up. He took a long on it. $93,000 win. So that is not typical of a normal. That's pretty awesome. And congratulations to him. Caspa Shinobi, if he mines Caspa and everything else, really good guy. If you sign up and you come in Discord and you meet him, really good guy. There's a lot of them over there. I'm trying to think off the top of my head. Christy, architect with boobs. How about that? Geez, another big one there. He's always a trader. Shoot, I can't remember his handle. I apologize. But anyway, we got a lot of great people over there, over 200 members. $15, man. That's it. Come join us. Try it out for a month. All right, now we got Hedera pulling back here. Is this done? Well, let's take a fib. We're looking for probably a 618 pullback. All right, 618 to 702. Well, we're right there. Right here's your 618 Fibonacci. We're right on it, and here's your 702 down here. All right, worst case scenario, your 786 down here, 1078. Okay, now it looks like we're probably getting a bounce back up here. This is looking like a wave 4 pullback. I think we're going to have, let's go to hourly. I think we have one more possible push up here. I just don't see a wave 5 here. How about a 30-minute? No, back on the 4 hour. Trying to get a wave count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Looks like let's measure this out once. All right. Let's take a trend-based fib and put on it. How about just this first move? Let's try that. That's probably going to come up short, I would imagine. Probably not long. Yeah. I gave a target. Yeah, way too short. This thing just, look at the volume down at the bottom. Look at this volume down here. That is a lot of volume. That is incredible. All right. To the top, to the retracement. Let's try that. Look at that. Isn't that crazy how this thing works? That is your trend-based Fibonacci. And that thing almost nailed it. So maybe we did do 5 waves up. This could be, we could have a big ABC coming in here. Look at that. 1833. And I did not get exactly on because the video, I'm kind of rushing a little bit. Right about there's the top. Retracement is right about there. Boy, oh boy, so close. That's why these, man, when you learn, and I teach all this in the videos, guys, these trend-based fibs and the regular Fibonacci, they are tools you want to learn to use, all right? 1,000%. Every trader out there uses a fib. They are so deadly. Look at this, man. Almost nailed that top, all right? So there is 5 waves in there. You had a 5th wave. If you break this down, probably on a 15-minute, you can see them a little bit better. You know, that's, boy, oh boy. If that was your wave 5, it just kind of double topped up here. All right, you know, kind of had 2 tops. Right about there. You know, almost, yeah, like a double top up through there. You know, you had your wave 1, 2, 3, 4, looks like 5 waves up. Now, normally you get an ABC pattern after a big push like this. Okay, we've had a pullback down here to a 618. That should be a normal bounce area. All right, that is from about there, okay? We are right in that zone, the 618 to 702 for a bounce. All right, this is the perfect area to get a pullback off of. You can see the support right here off this wave. Looks like we're bouncing off of right there. All right, and of course Bitcoin has had pullback today. That obviously has drug everything a little bit lower, probably than than expected. But you deal with what you get, right? I'm expecting at least a retracement back up here to a 618. Now if we come off the top, I'm not going to use that wick. That could be volatility right there. Okay, I'm calling the top right here. If we put a Fibonacci on here, I'm expecting at least a bounce back up into this area, 618 to 702, up to 15.5 to 16, roughly 16 cents. You always get a bounce, all right? Call it a relief bounce, call it whatever you want here, but you always get a bounce back up to a certain level. Now, if it breaks through that level, like 16. Call it 16.5 cents. Let's call it 16.5. If it breaks through there, then it's going higher. All right, but I'm expecting a correction to come in here. I don't see any corrective waves in here yet. That just looks like a Bitcoin push down more than likely. You know, if we look at Bitcoin on the same hourly type chart, let's look at it here. Yeah. See these red candles, just a Bitcoin push down. And it's crazy because you can measure, you know, when you go in on a 15-minute on this thing, and Bitcoin's still pushing down a little bit now. Yeah, look at this. We're just having a major push down here with Bitcoin. Let me see something here. Hit the 2618. It's probably coming, it could be coming down to, boy, if you use that wick, which I don't like wicks, you know, probably 63, 458, more than likely we'll get a bounce here. Looks like a wave 5. So the 15-minute, you know, we'll just, if we go out on an hourly, oh yeah, absolutely. You can see the waves right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5th wave. It should stop right there at 63, 458. And that should be, that should mark your bottom here. Should get a bounce from there. All right, we're gonna move this down, this line down to here. and make sure we get a bounce there. We're going to set an alarm on there. Always like to set my alarms. All right, there we go. Keep an eye on that number, 63,450. You know, it could stop right there, but that would be 5 waves down for Bitcoin. Now over here on HBAR, like I said, I would be expecting a pushback up to 618 to 702, right up in this area here. Let me mark this out, and let me look at the RSIs for you here. Whoops. I apologize. Let me find my, I need my, there we go, my rectangle. Right up in this area here. Alright, I'm going to leave this on here for the next video too. Now, as far as the RSIs go, the 1 hour is pushing up. We got the 4 hour just about ready to start pushing up here, okay? And the 8 and the 12 are probably still rolling over. And we got our daily right at the top here, okay? Pushing over here. The weekly is bullish. And let's look at the 3-day and the 5-day real quick. You got your 3-day bullish and your 5-day, whoops, sorry about that. The 5-day is also bullish. All right, so after, if it makes it up through this level, you know, then we're shooting for 21.75 towards 22 cents. I'm expecting probably a rejection here in an ABC more than likely. We'll see what happens when we get up there. But the first target's up here, 15.6 to 16 cents for a retracement, and then we'll see what happens there. Like I said, if you like these updates, guys, please hit the like and subscribe. I will cover it more often, you know, if it's interesting to you guys, I'll start covering more. Yeah. Come join us in Discord, guys. It's only $15 for all the videos. Learn all you can. We have a bull run coming. Make all the money you can. You know, you only get this opportunity, you know, not very often in a lifetime. So, you know, jump on it. Have a great day, guys. Be back with you soon.